In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a subscription website on Shopify. Whether you're looking to offer a subscription box service or managing recurring orders can be beneficial for your business model. Shopify simplifies this process. Let's dive into the steps and create a seamless subscription service for your customers. First things first, we'll need to access your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, navigate to My Store. Here, you'll see the various options that help you manage your store effectively. Click on Themes to view or change the design of your Shopify website. The Themes page is the gateway to customizing the look and feel of your store, ensuring it resonates with your brand's identity and appeals to your target customers. After you've settled on your theme, your next step is to head over to Settings. This section is a hub for all back-end operations of your store. Clicking on Settings will offer you a range of choices relevant to your store's foundational elements. Within the settings, look for the Plan option. This section is crucial as it dictates your store's operational capabilities based on the plan you choose. Keep in mind, selecting the right plan is essential as it affects features like transaction fees, file storage, and the number of admin accounts that can be created. Once you're in the Plan section, you'll notice an option to View all features. Clicking this will present a comprehensive list of features included with your current plan and any potential upgrades available. Understanding these features can empower you to decide if you need an upgrade that better suits the needs of offering subscriptions on your website. Now let's focus on selecting the best plan for your subscription service. You'll find an option labeled Pick Your Plan. Click on this to proceed. When choosing a plan, consider factors like your projected sales volume and whether you require advanced reporting or third-party integrations that may only be available in higher-tier plans. This step is significant because you need a plan that supports third-party apps for managing your subscriptions, like Recharge or Bolt. These apps offer flexibility in managing subscriptions, such as customizable billing cycles and automated emails. With that, you've successfully laid the groundwork for launching a subscription service on Shopify. Remember, a successful subscription service can significantly boost revenue by fostering long-term relationships with customers and providing them with convenience and value. And there you have it. A complete guide to creating a subscription website on Shopify. Don't forget to explore Shopify's App Store to find the best tools for automating and enhancing your subscription services. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your subscription business.